Force, man. We've seen these chargers before. But this time we're gonna do some rotors and brakes, man. Simple stuff, I tell you. There's things you gotta do. So the amount of time you see me doing rotors and brakes, I think you should be outside doing your rotors and brakes at least once if you saw me do it 2 or 3 times already. What a day it is today, man. 90 degrees in New York. We're not used to this type of weather, but it's pretty simple, guys. We lift it up. That's what I like about chargers. They look like beasts. Especially lift up higher. It's like a monster. Man, I mean, this is a quick run through. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, I'm out here still working. We're doing it. Beautiful cars. I love these cars, especially the Charger. I love the Chargers. And we're doing a quick maintenance, you know, lift it up. These are big tires, heavy tires, 22s. Obviously, you can see he has a bunch of grooves in his rotor, and he's changing that. You know, and then just do a visual inspection on everything else that I see. But he just told me that he might be trading this car in because it has 80,000 miles. It looks a beauty. It's a beauty. Quick though. Yo, man. So Auto's gonna be fucking up. I gotta get the customer use one of the cars, but Auto's gonna give us the rear brakes and the front rotors. Doesn't really make sense. I don't know why would they do that, but you know, we be rushing. And here's the old one. Well, the old one. It's a new one right here. So what I like about these single piston calibers, which is this one right here, it's pretty much just one piston, obviously one big piston. Normally they have 2 depending on the car, but this is one big piston that just pushes your brakes in, pushes it, pulls it back. It's pretty easy. You get a C-clamp, you put the pad on, and then you just kind of spin it on to get it tight. Take it off so I can show you. And that's the piston right there. It's leveled, it's in, it's good. We pushed it back with the old pad. Now we put the new pads on. We slide this over. And then that job is done. Put the wheel on and on to the next one. Nothing too crazy, but it's a pretty simple job, honestly. I did need a crowbar to take out this rotor. The rotor was not welded, but I guess just stuck from all the pressure. I guess it was the original rotor. So, yeah, definitely crowbar, 13/16 wrench, a C-clamp, a couple of things like this, and you'll be good. Get this done quick.